When we came to ArtCenter, people was like, hold on, y'all real brothers? Y'all get along? Like, a lot of people don't even get along with their siblings and things like that. We saw it as we both like-minded, we on a mission together.
My name is D'Angelo.
And my name is Martel.
We are
the Next Level Brothers. We came here fall 2013 and graduated
spring 2017. Our department that we graduated in is the film department.
So originally, me and my brother, we both from Cleveland, Ohio. I've been involved in the arts for a long time, and then my senior year in high school, I got a full scholarship to this prestigious arts high school in Michigan. It's a boarding school called Interlochen. And my senior year, ArtCenter actually came up there to recruit. I just said, hey, I'm going to ArtCenter. At the time, my brother just, he was done with his undergrad in college. He said, any school you want to go to, we're going to go to together and we'll make it happen.
We started from early just drawing photos from cartoon characters, but even seeing TV and movies at a young age, always saw that, hey, I would like to do that. Nobody really expected me and my brother to start going making films together. We just started writing a script together. Say, hey, we're kind of good at this. Let's just keep it going. And we turned it into a short story, a short film.
We had grinded our whole summer. We made our films. We raised our money. We probably had, like, how much money we had coming out here? Like,
less than $1,500.
Like $1,400.
Yeah.
And you had one-way tickets.
One-way tickets.
And that's it. Walking to ArtCenter for the first time and seeing the gallery and seeing all the art and the work that was produced, we was like, oh man, it's like, this is it. This is what we came here for. This is our time to really do it.
It's inspiring. You know, we seen that gallery, we said we need our names in the shrines. We need our kids and our future generations, people from our city to come through and see what type of legacy we can create here too. My brother, he was like a national award winner in photography, you know, and I was going to school. I created the first YouTube show, getting everybody around the university involved. And how can we put both of our visions? How can we combine photos with videos and make a synchronized story? My undergrad degree was in business. So I always figured out, okay, how can we turn our own business into something that we can actually love and get profit off of? We made it our initiative when we first got here to just be ourselves, but we just wanted to bring a little twist and a little flavor in here.
And if you ask people around here, they'd probably tell you we used to walk around with the boombox and, you know, how you see us now with the matching clothes and our brand. We brought a lot out of people and they brought a lot out of us. You know, they saw the love that we have for each other, you know, and that spread it. And even like Terry Bond that worked here, she said we was ArtCenter. Yeah, she made a new term for it. We was ArtCenter. Yeah, everybody got a story to tell. You know, we want to just tell our stories. Hopefully that can inspire other people to do the same thing. Just stay focused, keep your eyes on the prize, and just keep going. You know, you're gonna hear a lot of no's, you're gonna hear a lot of no's to get to that yes. So, yeah, just you know, keep going, keep going.
We got one more thing. When we say next, you say
level.
Next.
Level.
Next.
Level.
Ah.
There we go.